Good morning, Bastien Mahé from BVN Real Estate in San Juan Del Sur. And today we looked at two manzana. So two manzana are like 3.5 acres. Where I am, it's the well. So it said when it rains, the level goes up, but the water is very clear. So they don't use it much, but water is nice. I'm on the farm part, I would say. So you have like some lime tree just in front of me, some banana trees over there. So here we are on the trees, forest part, I will say, trees part. And the rest of the lot is over there. So a part is next to a water stream. There is water coming from some hills who are behind us. So we have like a fall of water, not in the lot, but on the survey of the lot on one part of water. So we will go see that. So here is an open area. So my lot is about 100 meters large, which is east on my right, left on my west, and about 150 meters long. So south and north behind me. So the rest of the property, of course, is all flat, easy to build. The owner was growing rice recently and just cut it. He has some corn on the back of the lot. So we are in between trees. All the trees are our boundary. And over there we are going to see what they call the quebrada. So quebrada, it's like a break where the water pass in winter. What they call winter is the raining season. Not cold. It will be like 25 degrees to 30 degrees all year. So there is no water part in the stream, but could be like a water evacuation. It's more this. Let's have a look. So here it is, but you see it's not a river. But at least animals can use this water to drink, and it's a guarantee also that you have groundwater over there. So water is coming up here, going down over there. Yeah, it's a little plus, even if it's not something like crazy, but it's fine. So two manzana, we will talk now with the owner to fix his price and show for how much we will have to list it. But we are on the road to Nicaragua beach. So I'm almost on the intersection corner of Marsella beach, Maderas and Nicaragua. So we have like 3 kilometers left to join the beach, which is about 5 minutes to go to Marsella, probably 7 minutes to arrive to Maderas, and could it be 8 to 10 minutes to join Nicaragua. So we are from town. It was 15-minute drive this morning. Road is not the best. Coastal road. So from the main road we are 500 meters from the coastal road, and from the small road access we are about 40 meters. We have an easement to the property of the neighbors, which is like member of the family, to join the main road. Access is good actually, all car will come. So our boundary line is just before the trees over there, until the corner, and same here. And we have, starting on this tree, probably like 60 meters more deep. This part has not been clear. Okay, I talk to the owner and let you know the price. See you guys.